Hello BR, today I will unboxing Xperia 10.5 or 10B whatever. So let's see what's inside the Xperia 10.5 included. This is the new phone and it is Black Friday offer. Look at that. Yeah, so the Xperia Sony Corporation manufactured by, there you go. And there are nothing with this, just only phone. Yep. And it has good configuration so far, and its weight only 159 gram, and there is a good configuration with camera. The front camera 48 megapixel, 8 megapixel and 8 megapixels in rear, and only the front 8 megapixel, and battery is 5000 mAh. So I expect that they will give the cable type C, but they didn't give. So nothing with this, just only phone. Yep. And let's open it. Yep. Get started. Oh, one more things, there is a eSIM also with this configuration. So there is all of things with Xperia 10B. I love this configuration, and I bought it for Black Friday offer, and very less weight in this phone. Thank you being with me. I hope I will unboxing again any another phone. Till then, wait for me. Thank you.